Thank you so much, everyone. Sorry. So when we are coming back to our presentation, and I will say, make this text also. Okay, so I'll decrease the size from here as on a, from here also. You can see this as you can give a random numbers also, and you can change the size from the different random numbers. And yes, so this is the left align, and I want to change the colors of it. So I'll change the colors from here also, and you can see this when I'm taking it. I have already taken the template when I've used it, already had added my brand colors. So I can select the colors from here and I'll change the colors. I don't need to go from anywhere others and find that colors. Now I'm making for my own, so I want to use this color palette, and because I have added that color palette, so I can use this. For other fonts, I'll whenever you're using a black color, there is a one as a designer, there is a one psychology around the black color. I'll make this title little bit more bolder. So I'll select, you can see this, they have a really big family. I'll choose this black, so it will gives you a more impact, and decrease this font size till the readable size, so it will gives you some space also. And now in other half, I want to add on some image related to my topic. My one of the topic is wireframe. Now here I'm going to show you a one more website which we can use it while creating our designs. So on this session, you will get the ideas of lots of different websites to create, implement in your designs in your while creating on a Canva or while creating on Adobe Express. I'll show you some of the websites which will useful for your own designs. You can get the ideas or inspirations or some of the images, or something vector image or something you want to download it, you want to get something new better than the images providing here, you will get the idea of it. Okay, so from here, wireframing. So first we are going to try the image here in what is provided by Adobe Express, because Adobe also have their own stock images. But before that, I just forgot one of the important details, so I'll add on here. And as you can see this, near to Adobe Express logo, there is a file, and there is a untitled name according to this date. So I will give you the suggestion to rename your file. So I'll rename my file according to wireframing tools and technique. Always choose the name which is related to your topic, or it will gives you the idea of remembering your files, that you have saved this file according to this name. You can see this, the name is changing, so these files will save in your stuff here. When you're coming on your stuff, it will gives you the idea here. So now I'm coming to, and below this media folder, and I'm coming here to search on it. Now I'll search a photo, or you can even generate, I'll search one of the, I'll try to search photo on wireframing, and let's see if Adobe Express is providing us any of the photos. And you can see this, they have give us a few result here on a wireframing. Similar to that, these are the wireframes. This is called, you can see this, there is a images provided here. Now I'm looking for a portrait image. That means a standing image, because I have a space, something like that. So I'll check on it if they have it or not. And as we have checked, they have a one of the square image. And again, you need to check while on the image also. I've just click on the image and the image is provided here. You need to check on the image also while using that image. I'll put this image here. I'll resize the image as per my space, and I'll change the alignment of this text also. And you can see this, the alignment is changed here. And you can see these, the purple lines is provided here. If you can check directly on it, don't worry about the things you are seeing on the screen. These are just a bit of technical, because this is, the text was not left aligned, it was a full alignment text. That's why it was like that. So when you click on it, you can see this also. You can edit this. From here we have changed the alignment, and here for this tools for readables we are using a black color. So I was saying, when you are using a black color, this is 100% black color. Do not use 100% black color in your text or designs, because when you open it in your PPT screens, or you can change your colors from here also, and you can change it from here. So I'll use 95% black. There is a reason, because when we are using 100% black color, when we are opening that color, opening that PPT on screens, that 100% black color sometimes harm some of the weak eyesight students or a weak eyesight persons to read that text, because that color is so bright and directly coming to your eyes. So at that time, to not harm and make it more readable or easy for it. And if it is a printing material also, if you are creating any of the print materials, at that time also the 100% black will merge with your background colors, and it will make a change a bit of shade of your colors. So we have add on the photo here also. As per the photo, you can add some of the elements also here. In that element, you can see this, these are the similar elements which you have seen on canva.ai also, and we'll see some of the icons which I want to add on it. And you can see this: food, celebration, sports, travel, technology. So wireframing is one of the technology terms, so I'll take this one icon, and yeah, so this is the icon I want to add on here on my design. But you can see this green color is not visible on this hand. So I want to change the color of that green color, and I'll use some color which is visible on the hand, because I want to put this icon on a hand. On this image, I want to add on the icon so that image can be a little bit more creative. Or you can add on this icon on your presentation background area, but in the background area we need to use some of the brighter colors. So we will do this, and we will resize these icons. You can create any of your presentation. Now there is a thing. This is, I have taken my sample presentation ideas. Now, as per I have seen about talking about the image, now I'm not able to find any of the image in a media section. So we'll go to the generative AI also, and you can see this according to your size. They have a portrait section here, and I will give a prompt. Give me an image of people are creating website wireframes, and I click on the enter. So you can see this. They are giving us a process that uh, that Adobe Express is giving you the options. They are loading it. They are creating image, and you can see this. They've give us a really good vector images. Now you can ask something else also, because why they have give you the vector images something like this, because this is a content type. They have given us the content type was selected art content, so they are giving us something to like this. And you can see this when you click on the photo and click on the generate, it has started generating. You can see this in the middle of the screen. It has started generating again, and we'll see the result in some minutes. It will take a time, and you can see this. They're giving us a exact photo formations. And if you don't want to use this square image is not suitable for you, you want to use this image, and you can come to this, and it will fit exactly in your space. So you can generate from here also. And if you have your own image in your device, so you can upload from your device also. You can select your folders where you have put it and select it from here also. And if you don't have in your device also, and you are looking for something, another tool, then there is a one tool to search your website photos, or the icon I have used. The Adobe Express is not providing you that. Not a major of the time Adobe Express will provide you, but if you are not happy with the results, then there is one more tool. The tool name is freepick.com. I'll share you the link of freepick.com in our chat box, so you will able to access that in your chat box. And when you are coming here, and Adobe Express also, in Adobe Express sorry, in a free pick also, you need to log in with your Gmail account. As you can see, I have already logged in with my Gmail account here, and this is my screen. So I will search here wireframing. Okay, so when I click on a wireframing, and you can see this, they are giving us a different ideas. And you can see this. This is all image, vector images, illustrations, photos, icons, videos, PSD files. That means for Adobe Photoshop files, or different templates or mockups. Also, they are giving us. So right now we are looking for the photos. So I'll click on the photos. So they will show me exactly only photos only. And you can see this is image which is I can use it in my current presentation design. So I'll click on here also to download. I can click here also, and I can click on that image, and it will gives a wider range, and they will show us that Adobe FreePic have same person's multiple images. They have click on it, and in this also you can see this. They have a crown symbol. Whenever you're seeing a crown symbol in these kind of website, that means these are a premium website, premium member website. But you can use this tool also as a free also. So the image which is not uh, with the crown symbol, you can select that images and you can download it here. I'm sorry. There is, okay. Okay. So you can download it in this area also, and I'll try to download something else, but there is something problem with my account. But you can check on that. I will check with it, and I'll show you on tomorrow's session also that how you can use it differently. So we are coming back to our presentation. Now, another thing is that you are not happy with the templates which is provided by Adobe Express or a Canva. You're not able to find your suitable designs for it. So there is one more website to search on your design ideas. That website name is pinterest.com, which I whenever I teach about the designing, I show these website to every person in the session, and I'll search on it that I'm creating a presentation on history. So I'll write it down: history presentation design ideas, and you can see this. They are giving us a different presentation ideas, that what kind of images we should use and what kind of design we can create on history presentation. So they have give us, but there is a one problem in the this website is you can't directly open these templates in Adobe Express or in canva.ai. There are some of the tools which is you can see this as a canva logo with. So this tool, this theme you will get on Canva also. You just need to search on it, and you can see this. They have give us a really creative and different ideas about the history presentation. So according to, you will check these presentation in details while clicking on, I'll click on this image, and you can see this. You can check on this, and there is a one small option is visit site. So you can visit this site where this template is available. Right now this template is available on Canva AI, so you can go to the Canva also and design it. And if it is not available, like maybe this template is, yes, so this template is not available on Canva, so you can just click on the explore another option, and you can see this. You can see the detailed ideas of the presentation. In the meanwhile on the session, I will show you how to create such kind of designs and such kind of presentations also in this Canva, in this Adobe Express. Sorry, not about Canva, Adobe Express. We will create, you can create some slide, something like this, and when you go on this, they will show you something similar images which is used in the template or the different details which is given in it. You can explore it, you can coming, when you're shifting on it, they are giving us a different ideas. So you can see this presentation on it, and just, yeah, so you are able to check on the presentation ideas, and you can see this and you can create it. So I'll select one of the right now for our session is a simple ideas, and one of the simple idea is of the presentation, and I'll show you how you can see this. And if you are just free on a time and you're checking on it, you can see this over here. You can see the option because here is a real estate option is, which because I have already multiple folders on it. So you can just click on the save button because and it will save in your different folders the name of your folders. you have given it, you can click on it and you can create a board. And I've created a board, presentation ideas, and I've created a board, and I can just save it in this board. So whenever I'm looking for a different I'm just going through, I was free, and you can use this pinterest.com. Is they have an application also, and you can use that application in your Android or Apple phones also. You can search on it, and you can able to use it in application also with a similar account which you have login here. So you can go to that, you can save that here. And I like this presentation also, so I'll select the folder from here, presentation idea, and it will save it, and presentation ideas. So we'll get, and for how to check where it is, so you will click on your profile, and you can see this, I have a multiple folders are here. There are multiple folders, they have multiple ideas here. You can see this, there is a mehndi designs, hairstyle designs, for the photography designs. You want to do your friends cousins have a wedding, and you want to give some ideas for your wedding photos, you can give that also. You can check different category designs also, for the dentist also, for the real estate also. You can check on, even you can check on the salad recipes also. In this free pinterest.com is a tool for every single work ideas. So we'll click on this folder, and we are able to check our saved presentation, and they will give you more ideas also, if you like these kind of presentations or not, to find it. So we are coming back to this. We have selected this presentation, and you can just create the similar, you can see the design ideas here, and you can create it on your presentation. Now another thing is, I don't like this one, so I'll just select this and click the delete tool on my laptop, or delete it from, I'll delete every single details here. And if you want to delete all the details at once, so you can click on shift and select all the details, and you can delete that. And now to take the content, I'm coming back to my profile, and this is already designed, but I'll take this again in a text tool. So I'll now we don't have anything on this platform, so we are coming on to the text tool, and add, clicking on the add text, and you can see this, add your new text, and we'll do the control V here, and we'll take this on the center of the design, and we will change the font again. Is for our title we are using Playfair Display bold fonts, so I'll select that, like and I'll decrease the size of the font. But right now you can see that, because this one text is selected, so only changing that size. So make sure you have selected all the text, and you can randomly make it. I'll give it a 80, but it is little small, so I'll increase little from here, and I'll take it in the center of the site. And you can see this. Now I'll take the color again, I'll change the colors as per my content. And in this note, if you can see, now you have edited, I'll edit on this, and I've checked the presentation again. There is an image here, and in the left side there is a text. So I'll do that, is I'll shifted my text on this side, and I'll edit here a big image. So for the image, as I already show you, that you can click here, and again we will generate a square image here, and we will write it down. The title we have copy here, and we will see, does the Adobe Express is providing us the same image. And you can see there's this we have chosen the size, and that size square is providing here. It will take a few minutes to generate image because we are asking AI, so AI is searching better result for us. So we will wait few seconds. We will not change our screen, because while changing the screen, it will stop processing. And you can see this, they are not giving us a proper result because AI is not able to understand what I've asked. So I'll just ask to search image on the first topic is wireframing. It will take few minutes more, and we will wait for a minute. Now AI is getting a little bit of confused, so it is not able to give us a exact image. So we are going back to the media option, and we will search here, and you can see this, we have already searched for the wireframing image. We will delete this from here, and we will select one of the image from here, and you can see this. I can now this image have a whiter area here, and I want to use that white area. Now there is a text is here, now this image is here. So you can see this, what you can do is to bring your text back, what you can do is you can see this, you can right click on this image. Whilst after selecting, you can right click, or you can check this more option, and you can see this send backward. So when you click on send backward, you can see this, the text is coming here, and you can drag this text on this side, and we will change the alignment of the text on the writer side. And yes, you can see this, the wireframing fidelity styles levels, and you can see this is coming here. Now I'll do the control Z again because I want to show you one more option how to do it. And you can see this here on the right hand side corner. You can see this, they have a different, this is called a layers. This is just a recovering file, they are just updating file, they are just saving us. So don't worry if something is coming like this, and it will take a moment. And if something happened, just refresh your page. Okay. And we are back to our section, and you can see this, the right hand side, you can see this, they have name is layers, and you can see this, there is a text we are able to see here, and we want to take our text up on the front area. So we will just drag that square, you can see this, I'm just dragging again, and the changes is happening here on the canvas size. So I'll bring this on the front, and I'll drag back my text here, and I can do this also. But while designing, if you are putting your text on the right hand side, so make sure your text is right aligned. And if you are putting your text on the left hand side, make sure your text is left aligned. And when you're putting your text on center, at that time only your text should be center aligned text. And you may, because we are using a lots of tools, as per the Microsoft tools or Microsoft tools, you can see this bold, italic, underline, alignment, points. These are the tools which is given here, and they have more tools also. Left spacing, you can see this. You can just increase or decrease the space between the text, letter space, spacing. You can change the line spacing from here, or you can check if you have multiple paragraphs in one frame, you can check the paragraph spacing also. It will not make changes because we don't have multiple paragraphs here. You can change that also, and you can see these are the colors and these are the outline colors. You can add on the outlines also to this text, but we are not putting it, so we are picking this color. And also to this text you can add multiple effects. We'll go to this effect, text effect. You can give something like this, but these effects are not that much creative, that much catchy for right now on the text. I'm just trying to show you they are just adding on effect on the text, but the text is a little bigger, and lots of uh, alphabets in the text. It will take some of the few minutes, and you can see this on your text. You can add on some shadow also. You can custom your shadow. You can put your text in different shape also. And just give me a minute, it is just taking a time. Hmm.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, ma'am. We are unable to hear you, ma'am.
Yes, now it is audible.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is audible.
Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am. It is audible now. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. So now, if you are selecting a multiple text like one or two or three or four, something like clicking on the shift button. So if you have in a paragraph formation like this, and you are selecting it from here to Adobe Express, you will able to now here what you can do is come to the text and add text, and you can see this here add tool is here. So I have add on my paragraph is here, and as per our basic changes, I'll change the fonts. I'll change the font and I'll put my text on this area, and you can see this. And as per the space, if I want to add on a more text, I'll change the size of the text, but I'll make sure that size is readable when I'm opening the presentation. So I can add some more text here, and while double clicking on this side, while clicking on this image, when this blue square is coming, you can just go back to media, or you can select any of the image which is, you can go to the photos. If you like any of the photos from here, you can choose that photo, and I'll select one photo, and you can see this, that photo is coming here back to the section. Now we want to add on some new elements or icons in it. You can add on stickers, icons, shapes, or backgrounds, or another design assets. So we'll see on the different design assets we have, which is here. So we'll back to the elements. We'll come to this section. We'll back to the elements, and we can see that the batches, frames, illustrations, and we will select something which will come, which will enhance our design. So you can add on some. You can select it. I just selected right now on the random designs, and you can select it, and you can see this. When you select on these object, you can see this, there is an option called as replace, crop, delete, and there is more option. In more option, you can go to the copy, paste, duplicate, bring to front. Right now that is already in a front. Bring on a forward means similar things. Send to backward, and when you click on the send to backward, because we already have a space. So when you click on the send to backward, I'll show you that when you click on send to backward, it is already on the backward side. You can see it here. When you click on the backward, what it will happen. Okay. So these are the few things which is able to do in a presentation. According to the presentation, also we have multiple things, resize, resizing your presentation also is here. In a resize on the upper section of your screen, you can able to see where my cursor is right now. You can resize your canvas size, your design size. This is your the blue frame you are able to see. This is your canvas size. You can resize that size here. The size is provided in pixel, inches, centimeter, and millimeter. You can select it, and if you want to select a random size, you can see this is the flyer size, Instagram post size, and they have give you the different size options also for the documents, for the web page, for the print media, for marketing. And if you go on the document, you can see this, they give you the size in images. They can see this is a presentation. This is basic presentation size, which is given right now here. So as per the, and you can see this, there is a theme, there is animation, background color. You can see this, I can add on the background color also. And you can see this, they have a brand options. You can see this, I can just add on because, and when I'm clicking on this, I have my own brand options is provided here. So I can just change the colors according to the brand background, and they have multiple options here also, which you can apply in any of the designs which we will see on tomorrow's session. As per we are running on our time, so for right now I'm stop sharing my screen and I'll opening the session for question and answer. If anyone have any of the questions, feel free to ask. Just unmute your mic and you can ask your questions, or you can write it down in the chat box also. Okay, so Naina Garg ma'am, yes, on today's class, the class is running till 20 minutes extra because we are recording this session also, and because of some issues. Yes, and because there are few people which are were not yes on yesterday's session, but they are right now, so we have give us a some quick review on yesterday's session, and we have take this session uh 20 minutes more. And from tomorrow we are doing the session on exact time on 7 to 8 p.m. And anyone have any other questions regarding the session, regarding today's session, or regarding on yesterday's session? If you have tried this tool and you are not able to see, or you are not able to find any of the things, or you are not able to understand something, you can ask it here right now, or we will see the review session. Mr. Harsh Sippy, if you are doing something different work, yeah, thank you so much, Harsh sir. So for that, I request you, every single participants of the session, that do explore Adobe Express tool, and do try that on the last day of the session on the Saturday. We will do the review meeting, review timing for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll take 10 to 15 minutes on Saturday's session to review your own created design, where you are getting any of the problems or not. So again, I'm asking, if anyone have a question, feel free to ask. Okay, so Harsh sir, you have asked for how to remove background of an image on furtherly session. On tomorrow's session, we are going to, after showing the designing tools, the designing elements, we will go to the AI different day by day. We are going on AI tools also, which is given in Adobe Express. And tomorrow we are making a flyers and a posters for the social medias and for other medias. On that, we will add on that remove background images also. So please join on tomorrow's session, and I'll show you that. As I'm guessing that there is no questions on today's session, just one again requesting, please try to explore the tool. You will get the ideas how easy that tool is. So explore that tool and come again with questions. I'm happy to give you answer of your questions, and we are ending our session, today's session, with a great start on the presentations. And tomorrow we are going for the flyers and social media designs. So come again to learn designs for your day-to-day life. And thank you so much for coming today. Have a great evening, and thank you.